everyone, it's Taina and welcome to another episode of Credit Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about everything you need to know about buying, leasing, or financing a car and which is the best option for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel as we'll be posting videos weekly. Without further ado, let's get into this video. The first option that we have for you is leasing a car. Leasing is when a leasee, that's you, gives monthly payments to a leaser, that's usually a bank or the owner, for a certain period of time. This is usually around 2 to 3 years, and you can only have a certain mileage on the car, so it's usually around 12,000 to 15,000 miles every time you lease it. There are some benefits to leasing. Usually the down payment's a lot smaller. The monthly payment can also be smaller than if you're paying off a loan, and you get a new car every couple of years. So if that's something that you're into and you like to have brand new cars, this might be the option for you. However, there are a lot of cons. Some of them are that you don't actually own the car at the end of it. So you're making monthly payments, but you're not actually owning it at the end, similar to renting an apartment. Another con is that you have to sometimes return the car in the exact condition that you received it. This can be really stressful, as obviously there's wear and tear on the car as you drive it. The last con is the mileage limit. So whatever the contract states, if it's 15 or 20K, you can't go over the mileage limit, or there will be some financial implications. The second option we have is financing a car. This is when you borrow money directly from the bank, financial firm, or credit union. You agree to pay a certain amount of money for a certain period of time. Usually it's around 3, 5, or 7 years. There are huge benefits to financing a car. The main one being that you actually own the car at the end. So you're making these monthly payments and this goes towards your car. However, this means that you do have to have a down payment, which can be a huge con for financing, as some people may not be able to afford it. As with most things, the better credit you have, the more options that you have. So it might be in your best interest, if you're thinking of financing a car, to make sure you're building your credit so that by the time that you get to the point where you want to finance the car, you'll receive a better rate and pay less money monthly. The third option is buying a car outright. If you have the cash for this, this is the most recommended option, as it's the most cost effective in the long run. You don't have to pay interest rates or finance fees or anything, and you own the car at the end. So customization, anything you want is up to you. There are some cons for buying a car outright. Obviously, you need to have the money up front, and you have all the responsibility of that car. So the maintenance costs, the repair costs, everything. However, it is yours at the end, so if you can sell it anytime you want, and you can still make money off of the car. However, cars are a depreciating asset, which means the more you drive it, the more you use it, and the older it gets, the less value it has. Hopefully this video helped clear up any confusion you might have about what leasing or financing is and which one is the better option for you. If you have the cash, we always recommend going to buy your car outright. However, financing might be a better option for you. The good thing is, if you have good credit, you can get a better rate and you might be able to afford the dream car that you want, but for monthly payments, and own it at the end. Hopefully this helped make your decision a little bit easier, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and as always, if you have any specific questions that you want us to tackle, leave them down in the comments below. I'll see you next week.